Yeah, hello and welcome to the third part of this tutorial series. So in this part we'll be using the skill we've learned from the previous videos to create a model of our choice. So I'm going to be starting with this cube. So in this video we'll be creating a table. So to do that, I'll select the cube, press S to scale it down, and Z to scale it down on the Z axis. So let me turn on my so yeah, S to scale and Z to scale it down on the Z axis. Then I would press S. Okay, you can also use this scale tool if you wish. So I would turn it to the scale tool and scale it on the X axis a bit. Come back to the move tool and move it upward. So next thing I want to do is to add in another cube. So I'll click on add, and under mesh I will select cube. Then I would scale it down, press S to scale and reduce the size. So after scaling it down, I'll then press S to scale and Z to scale it on the Z axis. So I will go to the top view by pressing 7 and position this somewhere around here. So to go to the front view, I would press 1, position this somewhere here. Then the shortcut to duplicate an object, instead of adding multiple cubes and scaling them down, you can just duplicate this particular object and use it for the other legs. So the shortcut to duplicate is Shift D. So duplicate, move it all the way to this side, and from the side view, which is 3, duplicate, move it all the way to this side, and also I would duplicate one more time and press X to lock the movement, just the X axis, and move it all the way to this side. Yeah, and there you go, you have your first model in Blender. So you can place whatever it is you wish on the table. So I can add in a monkey head from the side view, move it upward. I have to rotate, scale the monkey head downward and position it right on top of the table.